Welcome students, class 7th, subject General Science, subject teacher Joshi SK. Let's learn lesson number 5, Food Safety, part 2. Now let's learn food protection. Food protection means protection of food from different factors in surrounding like microbial growth, insects, etc. It is necessary to protect our food from spoilage. To protect food, different methods are used. Now, let's learn all the methods in detail one by one. First method is freezing. Refrigerators are used for freezing the food. Due to the freezing or low temperature in freezers, the biological and chemical reactions in food material are slowed down and thus food remains unspoiled for a long period. We can freeze different vegetables, also different kinds of cooked vegetables, curries, pickles, etc. When smoke is used for the preservation of food, the process is called smoking. Aluminum phosphide is used in this method for smoking. Next method is use of different insecticides. There are many chemical insecticides available in market which are sprayed on the containers of grains. Example, malathion insecticide protect the grains by killing insects. Next method is irradiation. In this method, different types of radiations are used to protect food. Food is exposed to ionizing radiation such as high energy emission by accelerators, X-rays, gamma rays emitted by radioactive isotopes. Irradiation destroys the microbes and insects. This method is used to protect potatoes. Some preservatives are also used for the food protection. There are two different types of preservatives. First one is natural preservatives. Natural preservatives are naturally available like salt, sugar, oil, etc. These preservatives are used in pickles, jams, murambas, petha, etc. Now let's learn about chemical preservative. Preservatives like acetic acid or vinegar, citric acid, sodium benzoate and some nitrates are used in different foodstuffs as chemical preservatives. They are used in sauces, jellies, jams and ready to pack or ready to eat food vegetables and food materials. Last method of food protection used for milk is pasteurization. In this method involves heating the milk or other similar foodstuffs up to certain temperature. Example, milk is heated up to 80 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and then cooled quickly. This destroys the microbes present in the milk, keeps milk good for longer time. These are few different methods for the protection of food. Now we will discuss on another important aspect which is adulteration. Adulteration means adding some harmful substances in our foodstuff to earn profit. Now let's learn different ways of food adulteration. First way is removing the important components of food. For example, removal of fat content from the milk or removing essence from the clothes or cardamoms. Second way of adulteration is adding harmful color or chemicals to the food which may cause ill effects on our body. Mixing of low quality food material into high quality food material or foodstuff which is harmful. Sometimes inedible material like small stones, fine sand, iron fillings, urea, dung of horse, sawdust, etc. added to make more profit. Adulteration can cause bad effects on our health, and hence to stop and control food adulteration, Parliament of India has passed the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act in 1954. According to this law, food should be properly stored. Packing material used for the food or medicines should not endanger the food or medicines. Correct and clear information about the ingredients, manufacturing date, expiry date, storage instructions should be mentioned on the packet. There is provision of life imprisonment for the person who does food adulteration with harmful substances. This lesson we have learned different causes of food spoilage and safety measures for the foodstuffs. Students, always remember to check out when you buy a foodstuff following things like expiry date, manufacturing date, ingredients, etc.